Welcome to the all-new CityCat V20 series of compact sweepers from Bucher Municipal. Extensively improved features make these vehicles unique and superior to anything else on the market. Comfort and safety are optimized by a lightweight, noise-insulated aluminium cab, which is also rollover-proof and designed for left or right-hand drive. A sleek and contemporary interior with two fully fledged driver's seats and optional headrest offers ergonomic support for a comfortable driving experience. It includes a slim, gas spring-loaded steering column, adjustable in rake and reach, which creates more space when getting in or out of the vehicle, as well as additional driver comforts such as a 12-volt charging port, Bluetooth radio for hands-free communication, cup holders, and convenient storage. Visibility has been greatly enhanced too. A full-height heated windscreen is standard, complete with all-glass doors and two rear windows, give the best all-round view for accurate, safe sweeping. While our unique LED lights offer low energy, high illumination of the sweeping area, this ensures maximum visibility for both the driver and third parties. The robust, ergonomically designed workstation features operating and monitoring instruments that are easier than ever to survey. Our advanced SmartCon operating concept is a multifunctional one-handed armrest, displaying information and feedback at a glance. Its fast, smart start function enables safe and intuitive handling of the sweeper, complemented by C-Sense, a state-of-the-art touch display whose intuitive and user-friendly design offers extended setting possibilities and vehicle diagnostics. In terms of platform design, the hydrostatic drive lets you easily change between driving mode without stopping the sweeper. Self-adjusting disc brakes on the front and rear axle improve the cooling performance and are easy to service. Added comfort and stability are provided by the lightweight single-wheel coil spring suspension on the front axle, as well as articulated steering. With the rear following the driving path and the brushes following the front movement, you can concentrate on the road ahead and sweep where you drive. The high-torque, permanently energized synchronous motor in the CityCat V20e provides automatic holding on hills, and the Bucher gearbox with Torsen differential ensures optimal traction in all conditions. So, let's take a look at the optimized brush positioning. The hopper has an equally impressive operating capacity. And our suction technology enhances the sweeping performance further. With uptime more critical than ever, looking after the V20 series is easier than ever. The fan is conveniently located outside the dirt compartment, reducing wear and tear. The brush arms are maintenance-free, and battery components in the V20e can be accessed with ease, helping to offer a lower total cost of ownership. Plus, any problems are quickly diagnosed by the C-Sense system. The CityCat V20 is equipped with an environmentally friendly Euro 6D engine, whereas the CityCat VS20 is available with either a Stage 5 or Stage 3A engine. Or choose the quietly powerful V20e and VS20e, whose specially designed Bucher battery pack features increased energy density tailored to the sweeper. Finally, a separate 150-litre recirculation tank on the outside of the hopper tank is made from polyethylene, which is much easier to clean and empty. The V20 series has been specially designed for more efficient and sustainable sweeping. Our diesels feature the latest and most environmentally friendly engines available. All electric models, meanwhile, boast zero emissions and maximum autonomy. With a battery recuperation system to recharge the battery as you drive and a 22 kilowatt onboard charger for fast charging times. We are also driving productivity forward with cutting-edge communications. Bucher Connect is a holistic service designed to reduce downtime and operating costs, whatever the size of your fleet. This online platform helps you analyze data for unrivaled digital fleet management, while our product service ensures proper maintenance for every vehicle. And with technical support available across your entire fleet, we can provide real-time solutions and remote diagnostics whenever, wherever. The all-new, all-improved CityCat V20 series.